Singapore is home to over 5,000 maritime establishments, contributing about 7% to Singapore's gross domestic product and employing more than 170,000 personnel. Connected to more than 600 ports in over 120 countries, Singapore's global network allows goods to be transported efficiently to anywhere in the world. The Sea Transport Industry Transportation Map, developed by the Maritime and Port Authority of Singapore, provides a blueprint for the future of maritime and aims to develop the industry's value add by $4.5 billion, creating more than 5,000 good jobs by 2025. Singapore's new megaport, Crossport, will be the world's largest fully automated terminal when fully completed in 2040, boasting features such as automated wharf and yard functions and full electric automated guided vehicles. Despite the importance of maritime sector to Singapore, it has struggled to attract and keep talent for many years. What if one day, all maritime professionals in Singapore disappear? What will happen to Singapore? Singapore seaports will cease to operate without maritime professionals such as port managers, vessel traffic controllers, marine pilots and harbour master. Sea cargo operations will also come to a halt without ship managers and ship agents. As Singapore lacks in land and natural resources, the port is critical for importing natural resources and then later re-exporting products after they have been refined and shaped in some manner. For example, wafer fabrication or oil refining to generate revenue. Without a port, goods will have to be transported through other more expensive transport modes such as air and road, leading to hyperinflation. Hyperinflation causes consumers and businesses to need more money to buy products because of higher prices. The effect on a nation's economy is substantial. It saps tax revenues, shuttles businesses, raises the unemployment rate, and drives the cost of living so high that political instability ensues. Low-income families will be the first to feel the impact of a higher cost of living in Singapore as they struggle to survive. Raw materials for construction, such as steel and cement, can no longer be imported through Jurong Port, which holds the world's largest common user cement terminal, causing new property prices to reach an exorbitant rate. New families will face difficulties in paying housing mortgages and others may find themselves homeless.
What happens if we totally lose the maritime manpower? I think it will be quite disastrous if you ask me. Singapore has been the leading maritime capital of the world for years, and we intend to remain at this position for the next years to come. We have been a very strong maritime clusters and we've been performing very well. If we lose the talents in this industry, we will lose everything. We will not be able to sustain our position as a leading maritime capital of the world.
A life in Singapore without maritime professionals is unthinkable. Fortunately, the Singapore government had been very proactive and had implemented several policies over the years in beating the maritime manpower crunch. To attract more maritime talents, the Maritime and Port Authority of Singapore established the Maritime Cluster Fund in 2002 to facilitate the growth of Singapore's maritime cluster by supporting the industry's workforce and business development efforts, as well as its drive for productivity improvements. Supported by the Singapore government, the School of Civil and Environmental Engineering of Nanyang Technological University launched the Maritime Studies program in 2004. It was established to build up the next generation talent pool to further advance Singapore as an international maritime centre. Later in 2007, Singapore Maritime Foundation and its maritime partners spearheaded the Maritime One Scholarships program to nurture talents for Singapore's maritime sector. Furthermore, the Maritime Singapore Connect website, which was launched in early 2017, will provide Singaporeans with information on the maritime industry, including but not limited to maritime education, internship opportunities, scholarship programs, training, and career matters. Maybe technological advancement will make the maritime industry obsolete one day, but for the foreseeable future, it will remain as the backbone of Singapore's economy and continue to support the livelihood of many Singaporeans.